It's no secret, Wisconsin is currently transitioning from fossil fuel to renewable energy. It's a shift that the operating engineers Local 139 have been preparing to make for years.
This isn't anything that just happened recently. This is something that's been mapped out for quite a while, and we're executing it right now. Currently, we have a lot of members that are running heavy equipment on the old fossil fuel plants in demolition exercises, and at the same time, we are working on a 150 megawatt solar energy farm in Wood County, Wisconsin. This is really good work. It's something that we have shifted towards. We have trained our members. But the really good part is that we're able to work with the utility companies and the employers to try to recruit and employ the local people from that community.
By ordering new equipment to their training center in Coloma, members of the Local 139 have been able to prepare for this type of work, and it is paying off.
We made this investment so that we can train people, whether they are local people from around that area or existing apprentices that happen to be from the area. So we are providing a trained workforce to more efficiently build these solar energy farms, and we have adjusted well, and it seems everybody's happy.
Everyone is happy, including those Wisconsin workers from Local 139 working on projects close to home that will, in the end, benefit them and their community.
They are the ones that are going to be paying to use this very energy that's going to be produced from these farms. So it's a win-win. It's using Wisconsin workers, and Wisconsin workers making good money so they can pay their utility bills, and the utility bills are being produced by very efficient energy.
And now you know you're Wisconsin.